there! Welcome to Miss Ellie's Math Academy. In this video, I will teach you about integers. So here's the table of contents. I will be covering 4 chapters with you today: quick review of signs, multiplying integers, dividing integers, practice problems, and then it will be the end of the lesson. So in chapter 1, let's start off with some quick review of signs. Negative numbers have a lower value than positive numbers, even if the negative number has a greater number. For example, negative 54 is less than 2. Because in negative 54, there is a negative sign, while there is no sign in front of the 2. There is an invisible plus sign in front of the 2, but we still refer to as a positive number. So now I will teach you about how to multiply integers. The rule is very simple. When you're multiplying integers with the same sign, the answer will always be a positive number. When you're multiplying integers with a different sign, the answer will always be a negative number. So I will be doing 2 practice problems with you today: negative 3 times negative 6 and negative 3 times 6. Now, although the numbers are the same, the signs are different. So of course, the answers of the 2 questions will be different. Let's do the first one. Negative 3 times negative 6. The signs are both negative, so the answer will be a positive 18. For the second one, it's negative 3 times 6. However, watch out for the signs. In negative 3, there is a negative sign, while in the 6, there is a positive sign. So the answer shall be negative 18. So that is the difference. So now I will teach you about dividing integers. The rule is the same as multiplying integers. When you're dividing integers with the same sign, the answer will always be a positive number. When you're dividing integers with different signs, then the answer will always be a negative number. So let's try these 2 examples: 14 divided by negative 2 and negative 27 divided by negative 9. 14 and negative 2. They have different signs, so the answer is of course a negative number, which will be negative 7. Negative 27 divided by negative 9. They have the same negative sign, so the answer will be just 30. So now let's try some practice problems. Here you will be solving 5 multiplying integers questions. I want you to pause the video and try them on your own. When you finish, unpause them to see if your answers are correct or not. So let me start off with the first question. Negative 2 times negative 3. They both have the same sign, so I would multiply as I would, and I would get positive 6. 4 times 6 is just 24. Negative 6 times negative 4 both have a negative sign, so the answer is 24 as well. Negative 4 times 8 have a different sign, so it should be negative 32. Now for the last one, it's a tricky one: negative 25 times 0. Oftentimes, many students get this one confused because there's a negative sign in front of the 25. But remember, according to the 0 rule, anytime you multiply a number with 0, the answer will always be a 0, whether it is negative or positive. So the answer is still 0, whether it's negative 25, 25, or any other number out there. Now try these 5 questions, and they're all about dividing integers. Alright, I will solve them. 24 divided by 3 is just 8. Negative 40 divided by negative 8 shall be 5. Negative 9 divided by 3 will be negative 3 because negative 9 has a negative sign, while 3 is just a positive number. Negative 80 divided by negative 10 will be 8 because their signs are the same. Now for the last question, it is negative 100 divided by 0. Now I want you to think about this for a second. Just ignore the negative sign on the 100. And even if it's just a regular number, such as a 100, you can't divide something by 0 because whatever your answer is, anytime you multiply a number with 0, the answer has to be 0. But in this case, it won't work, so the answer shall be undefined. So this will be the end of the lesson. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching.